Hi, I'm Joanna Jock and I'm your instructor for Math 108 this semester. So I am going to just take you through a brief introduction of the syllabus, and then there are a couple other introductory videos for you to watch about the My Math Lab, the computer system that we use, and Blackboard in general, and then the written work and exams so that you can kind of get acquainted with the course. But I just have made small short videos for you. So if you're just starting, I'm going to click on this 108 link in Blackboard, and you should see a screen that looks like this. And if you scroll down, there's a lot of great information about how to do well in the course, and at the very bottom is the first quiz that you should take, just a syllabus quiz. It just helps make sure that you're aware of policies. So after this video, just go in and take it and I'll remind you of that. So we're going to just talk about the syllabus today, which you'll find here under this link, Syllabus and Office Hours. And I'll update these links before I post them, but this will be the fall syllabus. These here you'll find kind of videos, introductory videos, and then the office hours that I have, which are changing from what you see on screen right now. So, but my fall schedule isn't quite set yet, so those are a little bit up in the air. So the syllabus, let me go back up to the top. This is Math 108. Important things that you can find in this syllabus are where my office is, Exploratory Hall 4403, and then my email, which is jjockin@gmu.edu, so both of those are there. You'll find office hours, although I also have those listed in the link in Blackboard, but right now I'll be here Wednesday around lunchtime, and then there will be a couple other office hours during the week. But you can also write me for appointments. So sometimes for distance students, the easiest thing to do is just email me and request an appointment, and I'm happy to set up standing appointments or once a week appointments or just once in a while appointments for you. I also do phone appointments and stuff like that because sometimes I know it's hard to get to campus during normal office hours. Let's see. Most of this is about background of the course. This is a applied calculus course that's normally taken by IT majors and business majors. It's usually not taken by people like CS majors. If you're majoring in physics or astronomy or electrical engineering, this course won't count. So if that's you, be sure to talk to your advisor. For this course, if you go to the bookstore, the thing that I recommend is that students just buy the access code. I don't, unless you really like to read a math book, the access code has an ebook with it, so you can just use that. So that's should be $90, and you can get it through the bookstore through my Math Lab link on Blackboard. This is an online course, so you have to be able to access the internet and things like that. And the other thing you should know right now is that you do have to come to campus 3 times during the semester to take exams, so that we just have 3 exams. If you're more than 50 miles from campus, you can set up an alternate proctoring facility to take your exams. That's no big deal, but we do need to do that in the first couple weeks. So if that's you, please pause this video and send me an email right now that you live more than 50 miles from campus and that you need to set up an alternate proctoring facility. The exam and course weightings are here. Mostly everything is kind of worth 20%. So there's a final exam. There are 2 other exams. Those are each 20%. And then my Math Lab, all together, the homework that you do in that computer system is 20%. And then there's some written work, kind of assignments. They're kind of like quizzes, handwritten quizzes that you'll turn in, and those are 20% too. So a couple things. My Math Lab is a computer system. There'll be another video about that, but the most important thing from the syllabus is you can turn those in late and still get 80%. So if you turn in on time, you can earn up to 100%. If you turn in late, it's a 20% penalty, but those are accepted late all the way to the end of the semester. So if you happen to miss one, you can just do it. If you do it the next day, it's a 20% penalty. If you do it 5 weeks later, it's 20%. Although it's a good idea to keep up with the course. These written work quizzes kind of that are meant to mimic the exam are you turn them in at 11:59 p.m. That's the time everything is due. But I don't accept those late because I try to post solutions pretty quick. So, but I do drop a couple of those grades in case you had a bad week or just couldn't get it done for whatever reason. Maybe you were having technical difficulties, maybe you added the class late. All of those are reasons that I just drop 2 of those grades. So you don't have to worry if you have missed something. Exams, mostly, and when we get closer to exams, you can look at this again. Mostly I just expect students to adhere to academic honesty kind of guidelines during the exam. So you can see that you do need a scientific calculator in this course. You cannot use a graphing calculator. So take a look there. But the alternate proctoring facility will tell you this stuff too. And then the last thing that you might look for in the syllabus, there's a lot of great stuff here. I don't mean to skip over this, but I do kind of want to be respectful of your time. There's a tutoring center in the JCC in room 344 that's walk-in. So you can go in there for help. I will have office hours, and I also have an undergrad assistant who has been helping me for quite a few semesters. This might be her 5th semester even. So she is able to help you as well. If you have any sort of learning difference or need an accommodation, all of those requests go through the Office of Disability Services. Counseling and psychological services are available for students on campus or off campus. So if any of those are offices that could help serve you or make sure that you are being supported here at George Mason, please reach out to them. So we have this schedule here, and so you'll see all assignments are due Mondays. So you will see that. So we'll start class on August 26th, and then everything will be due kind of Monday, which gives you kind of the weekend and like a little bit extra on Monday to work on it if you need to. Although everything is open, so you can do it at any time during the week. So I think those due dates, turn out to be okay for students. But you'll see a whole list of things that are due on every day. And then also the exam dates, which honestly, most due dates in this class and exam dates don't get moved because we can kind of keep moving along. Okay, so you should be able to read the syllabus and have it with you when you take that. Go back and take this syllabus quiz here. Now back and start the course here. Scroll down, take this week 0 syllabus quiz, and then that's your first grade for this semester. Okay. And then you can go on and watch the other kind of quick introductory videos about how really to get started doing the math stuff in this class. That's in the My Math Lab video. There's going to be one about the written work and about getting around Blackboard too, and all of that stuff. Okay.